What's going on, everyone? I just want to give you a quick update video. It's been 2 months since my surgery for my shoulder. I want to show you what it looks like. So this is the left shoulder, the one that I got the rotator cuff surgery on, the bicep reattached, right? The right one. I've still been training a little bit on the right side, and I've been doing exercises on the left side really to get the flexibility up, and then in time I'll start doing more things as far as strength. I wanted to show you some of the exercises that they had me do and ones that I still do. The exercises I'm going to show you is something that I do 3 sets at a time, 3 to 4 times a day, and I can definitely feel the difference in my flexibility, my movement, my strength, and my decrease in pain. The first one is going to be grabbing my hand and literally lifting my own arm up, and then I'll go down. So this is one of the exercises that I'll do. Again, I'll do this about 10 times. Another exercise that I'll do is just physically squeezing the bicep from the bottom to the top, right? Another one, I'll actually, let's say, get onto a table and lean my body this way straight down, or I'll have it more to the side. I also have a pulley system in the house. So you can imagine I have 2 pulleys, or 1 pulley with 2 handles. As I pull one down, the other hand goes up. And the point of that is to stretch the left side as high up as I can. Lastly, this right here is a cane that I actually use. So the latest exercise that they've shown me is holding onto the cane. What I'll do is raise my hand up. I'll hold it up there for about 10 seconds, and then I'll let go and let my arm fight down. Sometimes what I'll do is I'll use my pinky on the right side. That way I only use about 50% of the power on my left side, but I actually lift it up actively, which is still really tough. And then again, let it go and go down my own. The other exercises that they have me doing right now, it's actually just shoulder shrugs, holding it, squeezing it, back down. Also, keeping my hands like this is called internal rotation. I'll put them externally rotated, open up my chest, squeeze my back together, my shoulder blades, kind of round my back, and keep repeating that. And then just literally opening my chest, doing that. And I've been feeling definitely less pain in my shoulder, more movement. It's a matter of time before I get better. It's only been 2 months, and they say from the date of the surgery, it takes about 7 months to be 100%. I cannot wait. I'm excited. Take nothing for granted. Baby steps. I'm just working on it daily, and yeah, I can't wait to be full force. I hope everyone is having an amazing day. Again, I just wanted to give you an update on the slap tear. Doing good, right? Feeling better. Can move around a little bit, getting there little by little. And hope you have a great day, everyone. Take care of yourself, and thanks for watching.